Hello everyone, welcome back to Earners Empire. Let's build our own empire with money. So it's me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'll be teaching and explaining you guys how to earn money using Brave browser. And this video is actually with the notification which I received from a comment, and I have right now checked and verified it. The good news is that right now we are able to use Brave browser in India. I mean, we are able to earn money from the Brave browser in India. So for example, right now I'm having a bat in my account. Okay, so previously I was unable to withdraw this money, without able, I would be able to only withdraw this money if we have an account, whether it's an upholder Gemini account, and in those accounts I must have been registered using an USA address. Was the only way with which I was able to withdraw my money. But right now we would not be needed to do those roundabout processes, as right now we are having an update that allows us to connect our Brave Rewards and Brave Creators account to a custodial account directly in India. Right now I'm gonna explain you guys how to earn money using Brave browser in India using an application known as Zebpay, Zebpay. As you can see over here, the application which states over here, this Zebpay, and this application is for India only. Okay. Uh, okay, so guys, before moving on to the video, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, then don't forget to click on subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up button below this video. So guys, let's just not waste any more time, and let's just straightly dive into the video. Okay, so in this video I'll not be showing you the exact steps which we would need to do in order to connect a Zebpay account with a Brave rewards, as it's going to be an easy way. We must just choose on this connect over here. Right now I'm having my Brave Rewards account registered in the US. In order to connect with the Uphold, uh, I must create a new Brave browser clone and must choose my country as India and must register once again, or I must click on this reset button over here in order to connect my Brave browser Brave Rewards with the Zebpay. So for guys, you just click on the connect button over here, uh, as it shows two accounts to me. If you have chosen India as a country, you would be shown an option known as Zebpay. And all you have to do is that you must click on the Zebpay in order to connect your Brave Rewards account with Zebpay. But guys, do not be happy right now. There is actually few things which I would have to tell to you guys about Zebpay. Okay, I googled few things and I have actually created a Zebpay account on my own. Okay, so I made a Zebpay account before, like about 7 hours before making this video. So right now it's 12:47 uh, a.m. So in India, I probably made my account at 5 or 5:30 p.m. in India. So some of the issues which I am facing with the Zebpay is that I have not yet, you know, the Zebpay has not yet approved of my KYC updation, uh, and Zebpay has something known as a membership fee. Okay, so I compared the Zebpay with a few of the top, you know, exchanges such as Vasarix. Okay, so I got a few informations such as that Vasarix is a platform which is owned by Binance, and according to my Vasarix review, I would say that Vasarix is not some of the good exchanges, okay, overall in the world. So comparing with even Vasarix, the Zebpay is an even worse crypto exchange in India. Okay, so the reasons behind my review on Zebpay like this is that the Zebpay actually charges you an insane amount of fees for you guys being inactive. Just think, you have let's say 1,000 rupees in your Zebpay account, and you are inactive for about 6 months, and you come back, you see your account balance, it's either zero or it's going in the negative. What will be your reaction? Okay, so the reason behind it is that they charge you an inactive fees. You must be active on the platform, like you must log in every 3 months once or something. I don't know. The next thing is that the fees is somewhat higher in Zepay compared to Vasrix. Okay, Vasrix itself charges a high fee, so Zepay actually charges even more fees. Okay, so that is the one of the main drawback of Vasrix. I mean Zepay. Okay, so let's say Zepay has a lot of drawbacks. Other than that, some of the drawbacks are that it's not written here, I guess. Uh, actually, Zepay, by using Zepay, will not be able to purchase NFT or anything, and we can't able to use all of the functions such as Vasrix, like P2P, etc. Okay, so I guess that is the review of Zepay. If you want more reviews, you could just go Google it, or you would write an article on my own and post it and post the link in the description, so you can just go check it out. So according to me, okay, the Brave bringing a new innovative feature of connecting Brave rewards and Brave for creators uh, and with India is a good thing, but I think they chose the wrong platform to do it. I don't know why, but okay, something is better than nothing. So you guys could just try connecting your Brave rewards with the Zepay. Okay, I'm gonna just leave my connection with the Uphold. According to me, the best platforms among the four platforms available, uh, that is Uphold, Gemini, Bitflyer, Zepay. I have not tried Bitflyer. I have tried all the Uphold, Gemini, and Zepay. And according to these three, the best thing which I would say for Brave Rewards is going to be Gemini. Okay, so if the Gemini is right now temporarily unavailable, so in those cases you could try using Uphold. Okay, so uh, if you are in India and you don't want a roundabout process to connect your account with a custodial wallet, then you could try Zebpay. It's going to be yours. Okay, like I told before, thanks for watching this video. And then, guys, I hope you did enjoy watching this video. And if you have any more suggestions to say, you can just leave it in the comment section below. If you guys need a complete demonstration on connecting your Brave Rewards account with Zebpay, you could just leave it in the comment section and I could make a separate video on that. Once again, thanks for watching this video. Until then, bye.